Good morning, dear students. Last class I told about statements of forming the sets. That is, which type of statements are forming the statement sets and which type of statements are not forming the sets. About these two I told. In case of statements forming the sets, which statements having a well defined and collection of objects, we can tell those types of statements are forming the sets. In case of not forming the sets, which types of statements are depending upon expression of opinions, at the time we can tell those types of statements are not forming the sets. Like that, I have given different types of examples for these two also. Today also we are going to solving different types of problems in case of sets. The problems on belongs to symbol, the problems on subsets, and the problems on intervals also. Like that, today we will solve different types of problems on first lesson sets. Now let us start in the first question now here. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol. Insert the appropriate symbol. The appropriate symbol. Appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belongs. Belongs to or does not belongs to. In the blank space. In the blank space. First question is 5 dash A here. Second question 8 dash A here. Third question is 0 dash A here. Fourth question 4 dash A. And fifth question 2 dash A. And sixth question here. Sixth question is 10 dash A here. It is the question. In this question, they gave one set. At the same time, they gave some elements also. And 5 dash A, 8 dash A, 0 dash A, 4 dash A, 2 dash A, and 10 dash A. But we have to fill those blank space. Here dash there no. We are calling that blank space. How to fill that blank space? Any one of the symbol belongs to or does not belongs to here. See here 5. 5, is it present in that set? Capital A, we must represent with symbol belongs. That element does not present in that set, we can represent with does not belongs. That's what here 5 is there. An element 5 is present in set A. That's what we can write belongs to. Come to 8. But 8 is not there in the set A. Because the elements of the set capital A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. But among all these 6 elements, any one element if we can give, that element only present in that set capital A. Other than those 6 elements, they can give, they are not present in that set A. That means they are not belonging to that set A. Now we are going to giving the answer for second question. 8 dash A is there, but 8 does not present in the set capital A. That's what we can write, does not belongs to capital A. Even come to third question, 0 dash A. 0 is also not present in the set capital A. 0 is not there in that set means we can write 0 does not belongs to capital A. That's what we can write here, does not belongs to capital A. Fourth question. In case of fourth question, an element 4 dash A is there. Observe that set of the elements capital A here. Whether O4 is it present or not there. 4 is present in the set capital A. That's what we can write, 4 belongs to capital A here. Come to fifth question. 2 dash A is there. 2 is it present in the set capital A or not? Present, and it is one of the element of the set capital A. That's what we can write here, 2 belongs to capital A. Come to last question 10. Sixth, in case of sixth question, they give an element 10 here. 10 dash A is there. 10 is it present or not in the set capital A? But 10 is not there. 10 does not present in the set capital A. 10 is not an element of the set capital A. Therefore, we can write 10 does not belongs to capital A. 10 does not belongs to capital A. If the element present means we must represent with symbol belongs. If the elements does not present in the set capital A means we must represent with the does not belong to symbol. This is the answer for this question. Next we are going to solving another question now. Write the second question. Write the following sets. Write the following sets. Write the following sets. Following sets in roster form. In roster form. In roster form. First question is A is equal to X is such that X is an integer. Is an integer. Where and minus 3 is less than, minus 3 is less than, X is less than 7. They gave question in set builder form. They gave question in set builder form means we should write answer in roster form, because they're asking answer in roster form with help of set builder form. In set builder form they gave X is such that X is an integer and minus 3 is less than, X is less than 7. Integer. Minus 3, before minus 3 and before, after minus 3 and before 7, what are the integers are there, we must select and we must consider for the values of X here. That's what, at the same time they mentioned X is an integer, we must see this side. Is it an integer or is it a natural number or is it an real numbers? In case of real numbers, we are going to considering about intervals, And like those questions also will come, after completion of all this, we'll think about those. But in this question, the mentioned the number is only integer. That is minus, after minus 3 and before 7. Which types of integers are there? We must consider all them. Here, solution for this question is, solution for this question is A is equal to, we can write like this. X is an integer minus 3. Actually, of 0, right hand side positive and negative, left hand side negative numbers are there. Minus 3, before minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is the answer for this question. After minus 3 and before 7. After minus 3 means minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is the before 7. Before 7 means we are getting 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and after minus 3. Just exclude minus 3 and 7 last endpoints. Exclude last endpoints minus 3 and 7. Between those, which types of integers are there, we must consider them only. They are the elements of the given set capital A. It is, we have written all the elements in roster form. In roster form, the elements are arranged by separately by commas and enclosing with square and enclosing with flower brackets. It is the roster form method. And it is we are going to giving answer to another question. Second question. B is equal to X is such that X is a natural number. X is a natural number. Natural number less than 6. Less than 6. Less than 6 here. Here they mentioned the number system is about natural numbers. See here that X should be natural number, at the same time that should be less than 6. How many numbers will get here? From 1 onwards, less than 6, how many natural numbers are there? We must consider them only here. Why I am taking from 1 onwards means generally the natural numbers are starting from 1 only here. That's what we can write solution for this question is. We can write solution for this question is B is equal to starts from 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. That's all, because they're asking less than 6, not more than 6, and less than 6. Less than 6 means we will get to 5 elements. They are 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. This is the correct solution for this the second question. Like this, just they are giving a set builder form. We should convert that set builder form into roster form. That means we should write the answer in roster form. Whenever, if they can ask a set builder form, definitely they will give questions in roster form. But in right now, they are giving the questions in roster form. To all these set builder form, to all these set builder forms, we should write answers in roster forms. Let us move to solve a third question also here. See, third question is X is such that X is a 2-digit natural number. X is a two-digit natural number. Two-digit natural number. Two-digit natural number. Two-digit natural number such that the sum of the digits, the sum of the digits the sum of the digits is 8. X is a two-digit natural number such that sum of the digits is 8. The given question, X is a two-digit natural number. X is a two-digit natural number, but such that the sum of digits is 8. How we can write this? Then the mentioned here, X is a two-digit natural number. At the same time, in that two-digit natural numbers, if we can take sum of those two digits is 8. But what are the two-digit numbers? Two-digit numbers natural numbers ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಎರಡು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಟೂ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಟೂ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂಥವು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾವೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. Answer for this question is, solution for this is C is equal to 26. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6, 8. We can write 17 also. 1 plus 7, 8. 1 plus 7, 8. Next one 3. 35. 3 plus 5, 8. 44. 4 plus 4, 8. Next 53. 5 plus 3, 8. Next 62. 6 plus 2, 8. 71. 7 plus 1, 8. Like that we'll get all these numbers. 26. 2 plus 6, 8. See how I selected all these numbers means X is such that X is a two-digit natural number. 26, 17, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71. All these numbers are two-digit numbers only. At the same time, if we can take sum of those two digits is always 8. Because they mentioned in the question, the sum of those two 8 should be 8 here. That's why according to that statement only, we are going to selecting here two-digit natural numbers. 2 plus 6, 1 plus 7, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 7 plus 1. Like all this, in all these elements, we are getting these only. This is the correct answer for this question. Sum of the digits is 8. Next fourth question is, next question is, X is such that D is equal to, X is such that X is a prime number. X is a prime number. X is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Which is divisor of 60. Prime number and divisor of 60. And which types of numbers we'll get here. Prime number means a number divisible by 1 and by itself. A number divisible by 1 and by itself is called a prime number. Prime number ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರು ಒನ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ಲಿದ್ದನೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ನಂಬರ್ divisible by 1 and by itself. Like those numbers, we are calling them as prime numbers here. But those prime numbers, they must and should be divisor of 60. But what are they? We must select them. In set builder form, they mentioned here x is a prime number and which is a divisor of 60 here. See here, d is equal to 3 is a prime number. 3. 60 must and should divisible by 3. 3 1 320. It is exactly divisible by 3 here. Next one more. 5. It is 60 also divisible by 5 here. Next prime number we are not getting any. 7. 7 does not divide 60. 9 is not a prime number and at the same time it is not divides 60 also. Even we'll get 2 also. 2, 3, 5. 2 also prime number. Even prime number 2 is divisible by 1 and by itself. 2 divides 30. 2 divides 60. That is 2 1 ja 2 30s. 3 divides 60. That is 3 1 ja 3 20s. 5 divides 60. That is 5 12s are 60. Next, not getting more than 3 numbers. Maybe you are getting only these 3. They are 2, 3, 5. These are only 3 elements. These 3 elements considered as prime divisors of 60. Prime divisors of 60 here. Prime numbers at the same time they are going to dividing exactly 60 also. That is the solution. That is the answer for this question is d is equal to set of the elements 2, 3, 5 only here. Next, let us move to solve another question. X is such that, sixth question. The set of the letters, fifth question. The set of the elements, the E is equal to X is such that X is a letter of the word trigonometry. Trigonometry. Or they can ask question like this also. E is equal to the set of all letters. The set of all letters. Set of all letters. Letters in the word. Letters in the word trigonometry. In the word trigonometry here. Like that also they can ask the question here. But list of the letters from this word trigonometry here. See here, E is equal to solution for this question is E is equal to T, R, I, G, O, N. Already O has came one time. Any number of, it can be repeated any number of times. We are going to writing only one time, as the in case of arranging the elements of the set here. It can be repeated any number of times. It can be repeated 10 times, repeat 20 times, 100 times. To all these we should write only once, that is one time only. Here O has came 2 times, that's what for these two I have written only one time O here. N, next M, next E, next T will not come because T already has came. It came twice, but we should write only once here. Next R also already it has came. That's what we are writing for 2 R letters, just we should write only one time. Next last one is Y. This is the answer for this question. You can arrange any time, in any way, no problem. First should write Y, next M, E, N, O, G, I, R, T, like that also. But one thing, order should not be important here. In case of representing of sets, that is in case of Rosser form, I told, order does not matter. Should not give any preference to order. You can write in any way those elements, but you must arrange them by commas and enclosing with the flower brackets. That is the most important in case of Rosser form. Now here 2 times, if you can see the repeating of the letters, to all those you should write only one time. If T has came 2 times, for those two should write only one time. Or has came the 2 times, to all those letters we should write only one time here. See here, T has came 2 times, for these two I have written only one time. Or has came 2 times, but for those two I have written only one time. Next O also has came 2 times, but for those two I have written only one time. Not only 2 times, it can be repeated 10 times, any number of times. To all those who should write only once, that is only one time. Like that we are going to arranging the letters from the word trigonometry. Next one is the 6. F is equal to the set of all letters. F is equal to set of all the set of all letters, the set of all letters in the word better, See here, for this list out the letters of the word better here. Solution for this question is, F is equal to letters, list out them from the word better here. B, next letter is E, next letter is T. But T once again repeated, but for those two should write only one time. It can be repeated any number of times, not only twice, thrice, and 4 times, 5 times, 10 times. It can be repeated any number of times. For all those two should write only one time here. Next one is E. E also already it has came. That's why leave the letter E also here. Next last letter is R. It is the Rosser form for this set builder form here. Next questions, they gave roster form, we must convert it into set builder form. Now let us will solve like those types of questions now. Write the following sets. Write the following sets. Write the following sets. Write the following sets in the set builder form. In the set builder form. Set builder form here. So first question 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12 here. But how we can convert this into set builder form? Because by seeing the elements of this set 3, 6, 9, 12, they are the multiples of 3. That's what easily we can apply the formula 3n. 3n means where n belongs to capital N. Where small letter n belongs to capital letter N means there is a capital N means a set of all natural numbers. Because 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. That is, we have taken here 1, 2, 3, 4 are the natural numbers. That's what, with the help of that, easily we can give a common formula, that is a common property to all these the 4 elements of the given sets. See here, you consider set solution for this question is at A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12 is there. Set builder form. A is equal to x is such that x is equal to 3n. N is less than 5, n belongs to capital N, like that. X is equal to 3n and n is less than 5 and n belongs to capital N, natural number. N is less than 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4. N is equal to 1, then 3 into 1, 3. N is equal to 3 into 2, 6. N is equal to 3, 3 into 3, 9. N is equal to 4, 3 into 4, 12. But we should not take 5 because less than 5 must take here. Then we can apply that common property. Common property means a common formula for all these 4 elements. Let us move to second question now. A is equal to set of the elements 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. The powers of 2, if you can consider, you can write like this also here. We can write like this also here. 2 power 1, 4 can be written as 2 square, 8 can be written as 2 cube, 16 can be written as 2 power 4, 32 can be written as 2 power 5. To all these elements, we should write a common formula. That is, we should write a set builder form to all these 4 elements. 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. If you can observe, powers of 2, they are starting from 1 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all natural numbers. That's what easily we can give a common formula to all these 5 elements. Say here, solution for this question is let b is equal to, you can consider b is equal to here 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube and 2 power 4, 2 power 5 is there. For all this, here I am writing the answer for this question. B is equal to x is such that x is equal to 2 power n. 2 power n, comma, n is smaller, n is less than 6 and n belongs to capital N, where n is the set of all natural numbers. Less than 6 I have taken. Less than 6 means, see if you can observe, powers of 2, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. That's what I have taken less than 6. Powers of 2, 2 power n, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. That's why it is the common formula to all these 5 elements. That's why it is the suitable set builder form for the second question. Now let us move for third question. Third question is set of the elements 5, 25, 125, 625. If you can observe all the 4 elements here, they are the powers of 5. If you can take powers of 5, we'll get to obtain like all these 4 elements here. See here, solution for this question is let C is equal to, considered C is equal to 5, 25, 125, 625 here. C is equal to, we can write like this, 5 power 1, 25 can be written as 5 square, 125 can be written as 5 cube, 625 can be written as 5 power 4, like this. Now with the help of all these 4 elements, we must apply a common formula, a common property to all these 5 elements here. Say here, C is equal to common formula. A common property, nothing but a common formula. That formula must and should satisfied by each and every element of that sets. Then we are calling that form is set builder form here. X is such that x is equal to 5 power n. X, right? One element, that is x is equal to, that element is 5 power n, n is less than 5, where n belongs to capital N, like that. X is equal to 5 power n, 5 power 1, 5 square, 5 cube and 5 power 4. But the value of n should be strictly less than 5. And what about small letter n here? N is the set of all natural numbers. It is the correct set builder form of third question. Next, let us move to solve fourth question also. Set of the elements 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, up to and so on, they are giving here. But here they are not giving any limitations. But the problem is there on infinite sets. Up to and so on they gave. That's what we can write. like this, because if you can observe all the elements, they are even numbers. When you are heard about number is even, directly you must remember about the formula of even number is 2n. That is x equal to 2n here. Solution for this question is d is equal to 2, 4, 6, up to and so on. Therefore, d is equal to, you can write x is such that x is equal to 2n, n belongs to capital N here. That is only here. Here we are not getting less than 5, less than, greater than 6 like that. N is equal to 1, 2 into 1. N is equal to 2, 2 into 2. N is equal to 3, 2 into 3. N is equal to 4, 2 into 4. 8 will come. Because up to and so on means we get an infinite number of elements here. That's why it is the correct and suitable set builder form for the given fourth question. Last fifth question. Fifth question is there. Fifth is 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9, up to and so on hundreds. Squares of natural numbers here we are going taking. Squares means should write give formation of question like this. Solution for this question is E is equal to 1, 4, 9, up to and so on 100. And to this we should write like this question. E is equal to here 1 square and 4 can be written as 2 square and 9 can be written as 3 square up to and so on 10 square. So what we must give set builder form like this. E is equal to x is such that x is equal to n square, where n belongs to capital N and n is less than 11. N belongs to capital N. N is smaller than n is the natural number. At the same time, n is less than 11 we must take here, because up to 10 only elements we have taken, from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Because y means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, up to last one is the 10 square. Less than 11 elements. N is less than 11. Then you can take powers of all these 10 numbers, you will get those numbers only. They are 1, 4, 9, up to and so on hundreds. Like that today we have finished problems or converting from roster form to set builder form and converting from set builder form to roster form also. Set builder form to roster form and roster form to set builder form also here. Next class onwards, we will solve different types of questions, because we will see that different types of questions on intervals and how to write number of subsets also. We will write about all these questions on next class we will discuss. Thank you very much.